Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm testing out this Sunmaki Electric one burner stove that's portable. I'm testing this out because sometimes I want to not record on my stove and have a different location to record on, so I got this. So I'm just going to test it out and share it with you all in case you all wanted to own one of these, or in case you want to become a YouTube chef or cook and you are looking to invest in one of these. So it only uses induction cookware. I want to say that first. It's special cookware that you need to have. It will not be used or work with regular cookware. So I'm setting my temperature, and it's really easy to set by doing the plus or the minus dials, and I'm actually going to be setting the temperature to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm placing my frying pan on the surface, and once it comes up to temperature, I'm adding in some oil. Now I can feel the frying pan already getting nice and hot, and I'm just going to drop in like a little bit of the egg just to make sure it's sizzling, and then in goes the rest. That was just to test the oil to make sure it was really hot, because I don't like to fry an egg and it steams instead of it fries. So I have to say that it fried that egg really well. The heat distribution was nice, the browning was even, and I'm using a non-stick pan here. I didn't need to add any oil, but I like to add some oil when I fry egg. So I want to tell you guys that I really enjoyed the stove. It worked really well. I tried it with a couple of other pots and it also worked really well. So just make sure you have induction cookware and it will work. If you don't, it may not. The stove remains hot for a little while, so make sure that you don't touch the hot surface. If you all are interested in this, the information will be in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.